You guys go over there, go in the other living room for now.
Good morning everybody. Tolamuki. Leleza samedi ne mukola fete yango. Tolamuki tosoka basani tosana ba cleaning nandaku après ne to bonga malobe taki vendredi to ndé ko tumba le ce za jour ya bongama ya moni toza déjà 8h. Tolamuki tongo po to 6 musala avant quoi. Donc tosala sala kaka. To continue. Merci.
Keep doing it. Oh, is that the toll on a sense of my là? Is that vraiment ma classe? On a clean a mon bathroom. On a clean the one là. On se con la sink là. Tutta la cara roba feti. Donc quand même toilette est à la propre all the time though. Routine na biso ya cleaning mpona yango oyo tolakisi bino oyo ezaka mwa ndambu me mokolo ezali tokosala mpena video mobimba tolakisika nde tosalaka mosala na biso toyebi ke bato nyonso basala na bango misala ne moto na moto aza na ndenge na ye asalelaka donc oyo Agora esse sink vai ali como se toilette. Assim a check para spray não vai. C'est bon.
Malgré ton ouais, nene mila moi tina ngaya. Oh is a niyo, oh is a bulukutu. This one.
The Osinda,
Osinda. Sorry, na lata Linette. Nando mona tina bosse Linette na ngaya tongo déjà. Biso to banana oyo, bien to na batie bien, o bana pe na oyo. Ça on met na ngape café mais na préféré na ngana mena moi Sinda et ça la moi bien quoi. Na kopo na ngai ba moto na ngoyo ndeka to le lobi oto sala ka moi tout moi vite fait pour ndeto saki misalo mina butu to bongisa mais après fait so to sini si to sala pena deep cleaning donc to clean pena partout yeah bana bango na ba vandi ba ose la biso basi so lia poto sala bango basuki to bongisa bango donc to get back bino quoi à suivre.
And hold it up into the canvas face.
Oh, my cake, pretty as hell. Y'all can tell my cake ain't nice.
Leave me alone. This is the
owner. This is landlord baby so. Editor, last long note.
Donc nous doit ça la technique à ça bon ça montamignon sonner vous on a ba vidéo qui toko. Yeah.
Mais
petit mais Mkwa bongo donc aza na mutu moko cerveau
petit mogoso
C'est un peu vivement pour mon
On a babi birthday girl, métro la noire. Zomo na birthday girl na bisa vie déjà, tala bon déjà sexy. Là il go yinda na soir. Birthday girl ready to go, yeah?
Yo.
Yeah, Joyce, what you say?
Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on this video.
Yeah, bongo.
And get to 1K.
1K.
Yeah.
Good. Nice one. 1K. Oh yeah, no, not only 1K, more than that. You know?
You mean subscribers? You're on 900.
Yeah, we nearly there, but we want to go.
You need to get to 1K and then you can go up again.
Oh yeah. I know what you mean. Papa editor, what you say?
What are you telling them?
Come on, say something, man.
Editor.
Come on. You might feel the belly, huh?
Like and subscribe.
But they can't see your face.
They can't even hear you.
Huh? Y'a un moment où mon bal est pessoa qui tourne ma casse c'est à ma baie. I was trop fier.
Just be
Le dia Mama Taba, toujours kitchen bon mona, donc toujours bon maka quoi. Donc voilà. Frigo yango yo to bande déjà ko bomsala biloko. Bino supposé inviter so lingo ya yaka na E11 4RB.
côté qu'on est tondi
déjà tondi.
Donc na tokisa ki madesu nanga lona ina sangisa ona loso après na add ba biloko oyo ikona add ona loso oyo balamba ngona mai te balamba ngona coconut milk donc na chaka boîte nanga ya coconut milk après na che where's the butter. Bon, on sala la coconut milk na che na sangisa on loso après na balusa ngo sangani bien mais mozomo na donc na go ahead na sala ngo madesu oil ya on mona bajama balamba na ngo mingi donc na sangisa ngo na make sure que esangani ma ezate donc mai na ngo ezakara oyo coconut milk après nde ekobela après na otela bino video komona ndenge nyonso yango ebima donc ezala vraiment kitoko na monoko mpona kolia donc bosabone makambo eza ebele à suivre bisou bye.
Ok, siko oyo bomona bamonte le marquis oyo toza na kula boss
Babi boulot tout, les gens qui Anita ma vite à shop. Sur le niveau cool dans la cadre image. Nous avons un grand caméraman au grosso modo à cause. Parce que la télé Zahir na Erwan. Il y a un film mon bout de discours à l'émission à bout. Dans stade de 20 mai. Donc dernier zali quoi. Oh ils ont les marquises. Basaizi nyonso to ezali oyo lokola na cadre ba mère baza ko expérimenter ba masolo na bango balakisa bino po video eza molai yango tosala makambo toko bino bomona makambo tout ezali
siko vekula ndeza boye esuki boye bien eotelema
ozozwa ba image grand maître de liko ndinga ye mo azali awa ye moko démonstrateur kolakisa bino ndeni makolo kotelema ndenge nini kolatela mba ekomata mpe stage te balindule mpe balindi ndenge ezalaka ozo comprendre donc yango moko eza kokulaka
donc toza na mi ya cause
yango marquise yango oyo bato bwana bana oyo boza na boboti te na mpe bolinga bobota baby shower baby anniversary makambo tu po corona nesili te fête à moins de 20-30 personnes esimba te baza mosaka na garde soko bengi biso na marquise na nzela ya Anita Mavita Show tosala lelo discount à 10%. Donc make sure tango ozobenga lobi ke Anita Mavita Show discount à 10%. Mais si vous avez un ndenge na yo basale kangamia communication comme talent là
babone na biso boyoka omoni motema malamu toza nango balobi biso ne toza boye tosala business nyonso tu donc on est minto ba monter les marques bomona toza pe ape ba monter les marques to louer sango et puis baza pe sous ba DJ am show biso no London City to yebi bango na batalibanda ndambu donc balobi ba osala bino discount soki obengi na nzela ya Anita Mavita show omoni bolingo toza nango biso toyebi ke balobi mikolo fête na salle et simba te ka 30 personnes siko esoza na garden osali na ndaku et sala yo bien quoi donc 10% ya discount ya boye ezala te ka na Anita Mavita show to zongela bino temps pena ba montango bien to sali décoration à suivre.
Mais bah, il y a une balade, tu fais ça tout. Ah, God.
Ça la décoration. Donc, biso to sala nyonso biso moko. Ça la décoration. Donc, sur au moni côté wana, Anita place en moment mususu. Donc, oh, nyonso biso moko tosali. Nyonso yo biso moko tosali. Donc, tosala nyonso nde bozomona filmage donc omona na ba minda totie tante biso moko.
Okay.
We're gonna be enemies.
Koto yo totie food na biso.
We're not friends anymore.
Food ya moyo donc boyaka. Oh, food chicken. Na totie oh no totie toza na makayabu na mbisi na biso. Voilà, nous tozo préparer biloko nango. Awa toza na tabana ngulu. So kamundele yango wana. So bopusali o ba mapa ya bana tosala burger, salade pe yango.
Non to cité quoi.
Donc tozo sala kaka ndambu. Pi côté to sukila dans lelo za ya koyinda. To lingi bilo mingi.
Girl. I thought you wanted to fight me. No. I don't want to fight you. Nah, you wanted to fight me not a minute ago. Alright, why am I getting double teamed, man? Chill.
Kani nde bomona nyonso ezala dan so far so good kwa bomona tosala bete lobaki tosala décoration tolambaka neti na ba occasion ya ba birthday anniversaire graduation obiso pe na wedding ya muke tokosalela yo toza ba DJ bato nyonso bino londo boyebi bango DJ Miyakos DJ Kula Boss na DJ Leo aussi baza trois ba travailler together toza ba DJ biso toza complet toza les marqués au moni toza pe ba les marqués ba les tantes toza bango donc so za la besoin yango pona Anita Mavita show toza le 10% off donc so za la besoin ko book tante pona fête na ba size nyonso tout benga biso numéro na biso to wana benga toza le discount to lambaka tosala ba décoration
ouais
tosala nyonso tout donc toza complet
et puis ce que ça abonné car Anita Mavita lobby donc ce que ça abonné to pe so 10% discount na nyonso oyo kolinga osala donc toza available anytime to recha ba numéro kalate ba numéro ko ya po contact kabiso donc à suivre tozo continuer car après
aussi ça pour décorer quoi comme ça na suka to relaxer bien nyonso le to
ebimi À suivre, bisous.
Non, pas musique. Musique, il faut pas stopper.
Where's the cat? Where's I need him? Where's the where is the light out?
The light is out there. The light is outside.
Master. O que está acontecendo?
I'm not getting locked out. Wait, you actually got to the stairs about
Light off. Light off. Wait.
do you want me to light? How do I light this?
Oh, you do this and then put it on.
Don't go there.
Yeah, we're about to spend that for you.
Well, we need the candles. We need the
Guys,
candles.
don't shake the table, you have cake.
But
We shake the table too much, all these things. And the cake will fall over.
I don't want to pull on me. I don't want to pull on me. I want to pull on me.
Hey, look, happy
One is still there.
Moto. Let's go. Just sing. Just sing.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Joy. Happy birthday to you. That's our face right now.
Ariana. Where's Ariana? Hey, that's it.
Everybody say Joanna. Joanna.
Kolisa mwana tabe foliama o anta mwana anti no ba koko no ba bibesa papa na mama bobumbisa ntabate boka oyo ya mindele teenage wana toboyi bokolisa na ndenge ya bokoko mwatumba atikela nga lilobe mpona lya ntaba amene eyokani napesi na mbongo ya ntaba bamemela naye
It's fun outside. It's all banda. Tell them I want to go a photo. C'est pas un cadeau hier mon colonel. On fait ça right.
Pesa cadeau pesa.
Pesa cadeau pesa. Boya na cadeau. Ya moka ukapeka ozwa. Bancho sasa pesa hiyo.
Ma vita show.
Yeah,
Pesa la pour moi na binoko.
Happy birthday, yeah, Joyce.
Yeah.
Joyce, I'm going to say today, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday, Joyce.
Umela, God bless you, live longer, we love you. CJ, say happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Joyce.
Dala wa ukata kesho. Naomi, ukata. Oka bola mama.
Happy birthday, ma surprise de Zebele. Mwana yebagi tena mwana lelo. Mokolo na yekwa.
Sorry, Auntie, what you say? Happy birthday to Joyce. Some more. Amen. Ya Joyce umela. Mama Yolande, what you say? Happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday.
Auntie, Obini, bless moi na terre. Bongo. Joyce, Méchola Noire.
Moi ça cher.
Moi ça cher. Oui, nous avons option T, bah 8 premiers ont option. Oh, Auntie Joyce. Auntie, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Babari, beautiful, even more beautiful.
In Méchola Noire na biso.
Don't destroy the beauty.
No way, no chance.
It's not Joyce, it's Joyce.
I love you very much. Keep growing. We're here for you anytime.
Thank you, Auntie.
Kila boss.
Come on, Auntie.
Kila boss.
Okay. Thank you, Auntie.
Kila boss. Aibi.
Uncle Yaya Obini niko.
Uncle Yaya.
Uncle Yaya Obini. Birthday Joy.
Donc nous on a été tout d'abord la commission Nzambe. Nzambe tabatela. Amon donc Nzambe ko protéger donc as a success in life. Amebo kola aga mtu munene Nzambe pesa ye a wonderful man or look after ye. Donc a continue.
Amen. Merci Uncle Yaya. Yeji, say something, man. Oh, you boss the boss. Boss na biso Yeji Kikaka.
Say happy birthday, Joyce. Thank you for inviting us to the party.
Yeah.
I hope next year we start.
No problem, Yaya. Thank you, Yeji.
Oh, sorry, these guys. Start
That's
again.
okay. Start to agree. Yaya, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday, Joyce. You know what
Thank you. Big boy, say happy birthday to Joyce, please.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Amen. They say you're the famous one. Say happy birthday to Joyce, yeah.
Happy birthday. Have a good one. Make a blessing.
Thank you. Uncle, say happy birthday to Joyce, please. Thank you, Auntie. Thank you, Benga Joyce. Sephora, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Baby girl, keep growing. And I've got some special surprise for the same mommy.
Thank you, Yaya. So,
Merci,
Mommy, say
Bango,
happy
yeah?
birthday,
Joyce, we love you. I love you. I can't wait to see you grow into the beautiful woman you are. I love you.
Thank you, Yaya. Oh, you did already. Coco, baby, oh, Auntie Coco. Say happy birthday to Joyce, Auntie Christine.
Yeah. Happy birthday. She's so beautiful.
In a Mechola Noir Nabiso.
I thank God that she read this age 13. No trouble, everything. I'm still wishing her to be proud in the family, to do all the best in school. And all the friendship, she need to find good friendship. Then in Taba, that is my tradition and I didn't forget. I'm telling her she need to understand Taba. That means don't be near boys.
Yes.
That is Taba.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Make sure you stay away from the boy. Auntie Christine. Hey. Christine. Yeah.
Happy birthday, goddaughter. All the best. Wish you the best.
Thank you.
Love you loads.
Okay. Joyce. Oi, say happy birthday to Joyce here. Andrew, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday to Joyce.
Yeah.
The lens is blurry.
Yeah.
It's blowing color.
Big happy birthday to Joyce. My little no, sir. Little Joyce is right there.
Oh, she's here.
She's right
Say
here.
happy birthday. Angel, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Speech.
Oh, thank you, Angel.
Speech.
I just want to say happy birthday to my baby. You know I love you. You know what's up. You know I'll forever be here with you. Hopefully in 10 years time you watch this video and you see how amazing I am. But above that you see that I do love you and I'll forever be here for you.
Mommy, what you say? Come and bless your daughter. Your daughter.
Joyce is actually born today. The one I hope is that she's a miracle, she's a blessing, she's a special child for me. Because she's as a lovely, but over every Joyce, every Joyce, as a different.
Yeah.
As a unique. Donc moi l'amour malamu. Après ça va tout pas citer. Donc I love her so much. Happy birthday Joyce. Donc Tolingio, long life to you. Don't keep growing up like the way you are. Don't change for nobody. Love you.
Thank you.
So where are they?
My brother and sister are at home because my mom said come.
Wait, hold on, YouTube was capturing us, just wait.
Yeah, say happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Happy big fat tea. Big one.
Say happy birthday to Joyce. Oi, wait. Happy
birthday, Joyce. Love you. Wait, put your volume up.
Happy birthday, Joyce.
Happy birthday, Joyce.
Big girl.
Happy birthday, Joyce. I love you.
Thank you. Wow. Say happy birthday to Joyce.
Happy birthday.
Birthday girl. Hey. Birthday girl. Hey! There's the girl. Thank you very much. Foreigner.
What's your trip say?